Hello guys, welcome to my channel where we make delicious, tasty and mouth-watering recipes. In today's video, I'll be showing you step by step on how I achieve these brownish, tantalizing oat waffles. And if you are interested in this video, please keep watching. And if this is your first time of coming across this video, you are welcome. For my old subscribers, thank you. And for my new subscribers, I say thank you. With no further ado, let's jump right to the video. These are all the ingredients I'll be using for today's recipe. I have oat flour. You can use any flour of your choice. I have condensed milk. I have 2 eggs. I have vanilla extract. I will be using baking soda and baking powder. I have butter. And finally, I have sardines. I will leave the list of ingredients below. Please do well to check it out. In here, I went ahead to debone the sardine. I have my milk and I melted my butter. So the first thing I will be doing is to add the melted butter into a clean pan and then use the spatula to remove any leftover on the pan, and then followed by honey. I will be adding honey into this. This is optional. In place of honey you can add sugar, but I prefer to use honey. Then I will also do the same by using the spatula to remove any leftover on the measuring cup. The next thing I'll be doing is to add the vanilla extract. Thereafter, I'll go ahead to crack the 2 eggs into the bowl. By doing so, I'll be cracking this one after the other in order for us not to have a bad egg and then mix it with our ingredients, and that will be too bad. And if you have watched this video up to this moment, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Leave a good comment. Thank you. Now that I'm done cracking my eggs, I will move over to whisking everything. And now I will be adding the condensed milk. In place of condensed milk, you can use any milk of your choice. I will be adding this little by little. As I said before, you can use fresh milk, or better still, you can use powdered milk. Or what you will do is to add your powdered milk into a bowl and then add water to dissolve this. And then you are good to go to use your milk. After that, I will be assembling all the dry ingredients together. I added the baking powder and the baking soda into the oat flour. Now I'll be adding salt as well. If you don't like salt, you can omit this. The next thing is for me to use my spoon to mix everything together. I will show you the next thing to do. And now I will be adding the dry ingredient into the wet ingredient. I will be mixing this little by little until I exhaust all the dry ingredients. Now I will be adding this cooked pepper, which is my first secret. If you want to know how I made this pepper, please let me know in the comment section. Now I will be adding the boned sardine into the mixture. This is the second secret I will be sharing with you guys on this recipe. Guys, these two combinations took this waffle to another level. I'll go ahead now to mix everything thoroughly together. This is not your regular waffle making. I went ahead to add more milk into it just to loosen it up a little bit because it was too dense. But you can leave yours like that, and I will continue to whisk this. With the spatula, I will remove the excess butter from the body of the bowl. And moving over to the waffle pan, I will grease this up with some olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. And now that I'm done greasing the waffle pan, I'll go ahead to scoop some of those butter into the pan, and then with the spatula I will spread this evenly on the waffle pan and then cover to bake for 1 to 2 minutes. After 1 to 2 minutes, I will go ahead to open this up, guys. Look at that. Look at how beautiful it is. And then I will flip the other side in order for you guys to see this. Look at it. So brownish in color. And thereafter, I'll take it out of the pan. In here, I went ahead to repeat the whole process of scooping some into the pan and then baking it for some minutes and thereafter taking it out of the waffle pan. And this was so easy to make. And here you have it, our waffle is ready to be devoured. I went ahead to pair this up with some hot tea. You can pair this up with some ice cream or some fruit. You can also top this up with maple syrup or honey. Thank you guys for watching this video and do well to try this out, and if you do, please let me know and leave your comment. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.